Hello guys, how are you? My name is Ioannis from Hephaestus. Let's check now the stock FCEL. The FCEL stock, as you can see here in the regression trend, we are out from the downtrend regression at the downtrend line. We are above, for the second day, above the 21 moving average. Here at this level at $3.37 per share, we have a strong support at this orange line. Here made the second reversal, and now we're going up higher, and the price target is above the 50 days moving average, $4.91 per share. It's a small trade. The market is bullish. Until for the next video, subscribe. Goodbye, good luck.